Heritage is a cultural aspect of tradition that is passed down from generation to generation. Welcome to Heritage, a program that enlightens you on some practices that are passed down through the years. I am your host, Idris Jamila. Hello, it's your favorite program, Heritage on Television Nigeria. I am Idris Jamila. Today, we'll be talking about African-based beads. Waist beads are excellent tools for women that contribute in boosting their confidence for some women, of course, not all women. These beautiful gemstone waist beads are usually handmade and sometimes customized. There are many varied reasons we have come across as to why African waist beads are worn. Common folklore attribute it to the definition of a woman's waist, in essence that it helps them to maintain their figures. There are varied uses or significance of a waist bead that will be shown to you on the program today, but after the quick break. Welcome back. Please don't forget to check us out on our social media handles, tvn.news, Television Nigeria on Twitter and Facebook. Now, uses or significance of a waist bead. This can't be applicable to women all over the world, but for most women, waist beads serve as a symbol of femininity and sensuality. Only the partner a woman chooses would have the honor of seeing them fully, as a sign that a woman had reached marriageable age and could now have suitors. Strung with bells to show that a woman was still pure as at the time of marriage. Worn on babies during naming ceremonies, some say to accentuate their waistlines and hips as they grow. As the weight measure when gaining weight, the belt of the babies climbs up, and when you lose weight, it falls elegantly on the hips. Upon addition of precious stones, waist beads take on healing regeneration qualities depending on ailments for waist needs to be enhanced. In essence, love, physique, powers, and balancing. Various semi-precious stones can be included in the design of your waist beads. Only a few people maintain the culture of adorning these beads on a daily basis, but the vast majority are likely to put them on during special traditional occasions, though some of the traditions in most cases seems redundant. Women who adorn waist beads recently use them more for ornamental and beautification reasons, or simply to check their weight, so it may be wise not to read too much into a woman's decision to wear them. Waist beads, when worn properly, are classy and elegant. Of course, you will agree with me because it has been in existence for quite a while. Though the meaning of the color of a waist bead varies from culture to culture, tribe to tribe, its significance is considered very important and powerful in many African communities. Choosing the right color of beads remains as important as its design, weight, length, and flexibility. Now, we'll be talking about colors of beads and other meanings, but shortly after this break. Welcome back. Before I continue, don't forget to check us out on our social media handles, tvn.news, Television Nigeria on Twitter and Facebook. Okay, beads are of different types with different color, but it's important to know the meaning of the color of beads you're putting on. Now listen. Brown stands for earth and stability. Gold means good health, power and wealth. Green, abundance, fertility, nature and prosperity. Red, confidence and vitality. Turquoise, communication and self-awareness. White, light, truth and purity. Yellow, energy, joy and happiness. Black, power and protection. Blue, loyalty and truth. Orange, courage, self-confidence and vitality. Pink, care, beauty, love and kindness. Purple, royalty, spirituality and wisdom. The West Bees bear different names in different tribes in Nigeria. The northern part of the country calls it Jigida, while the Yorubas, the people of southwestern Nigeria, call it Bebidi. In Igbo, it's called Mbaji. The West Bead is also identified as Girigiri, Yomba, Jelly Jelly, Bin Bin, Ilekeidi in some other languages. I wish to go on and on, but my time is over. I promise to bring to you another exciting topic on our next episode. Don't forget to check us out on our social media handles, tvn.news, Television Nigeria on Facebook and Twitter, and on our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Until I come your way again, I am Idris Jamila. Aspect of tradition that is passed down from generation to generation. Welcome to Heritage, a program that enlightens you on some practices that are passed down through the years. I am your host,